Hey, I think I got it on video. Yeah.
This is the damage that Dodge did by riding off the road. Not only do I have about a dozen or more rock chips on my windshield, a couple of these were already here. I think about 3 of them. Just a total wall of rocks hit this truck. That's all new on the hood. That's new. Up there towards the back of the hood. Also new right here, right in front of the mirror. Just speckled my whole damn hood. And now the windshield, of course, is hard to see, but some of that's bugs, but nah, like that's bugs. It's really hard to see, but there's a whole bunch of fresh rock chips in that windshield all across the damn thing.
Bolton. After doing our Sunday afternoon shop, we proceeded on our journey. Words are exchanged between yellow-jacketed biker and the Range Rover. They both proceed to drive off.
Where's your car coming?
The car's broke.
Oh Dios, le vas a dar
I'm trying to avoid people from hitting me.
What the hell? Can you get out of this lane?
I'm going to.
Like,
People are coming up fast.
I never come on this line because of that. What the hell are they doing? What is this guy doing? Te lo está dando el teléfono. Mira, te va a dar, Freddy. The f are you doing, dude? I'm about to freaking report him. PDC G29. Mira.
What the hell is going on with him?
Ay, Dios mío, le va a dar alguien. Oh my god, what the hell is wrong with this man?
Please hang up and dial 911.
Oh my god, he's about to hit him.
Thank you. Usted ha llamado a la oficina de
I
la
have to catch up so I can
policía.
record.
Salisbury County Sheriff's Office, Deputy Reaver.
Hi there. I am headed northbound on 301, coming up to Gibsonton Drive. I've been following a gray car who's been driving very erratically. They've gone off to the shoulder twice. They've stopped in the middle of the road twice. It's just
Zigzagging.
Yeah, they're zigzagging in the lane. Now they're coming to a stop again in the middle of the road. It's a Toyota, plate number Toyota Camry. Papa.
Okay, and you said you're on 301.
301 northbound. They're stopping again here, slowing down. We're right by Jules Car Wash.
What's the closest cross street?
301 and Boyette.
You said it's a white Toyota?
No, it's a dark gray Toyota Camry.
He's gonna hurt somebody the way he's driving.
Northbound.
Yes. They're arguing. I see like the driver's head is like jumping up and down. I don't know if they're arguing or dancing.
Hello?
Yes.
Hi, this is Salisbury County Sheriff's Office, Dispatcher 74. I do have to advise you, do not break any traffic laws.
I'm not.
If yourself in dangerous situation.
Yep.
Or, okay. You do not need to continue to follow this vehicle.
But can I if I wish to?
If you want to, yes.
Okay.
That's totally up to you.
Okay.
What?
Just.
Did you say they're right in front of you?
They're right in front of me. Yep. We are stopped at the red light in front of Advanced Auto Parts.
We're in a white
I think
Ford.
I see the sheriff parked at Advanced Auto
Yes,
Auto
right
Parts.
there. Tell them what car we're in. And tell them in front.
Okay. What kind of car are you on?
A white Ford Explorer.
Let me know when you cross it.
Yep. Sheriff just pulled in front of me, following the car,
Okay.
and we're crossing the intersection now.
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and let you go since the deputy's behind him now. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. No blinker. Turned. 3 lanes.
They're really trying to run away.
They just cut over in 3 lanes and again. Bam!
Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! You got it on camera. Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god.
They just went over 3 lanes and back with no signal.
They were freaking me out. It's like, oh my god,
They're not
somebody.
stopping.
Oh oh it's a drive. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're taking off. Sorry. Okay, I'm keeping moving. Keep it moving.
Yeah, they're not turning up. They're not pulling over. I am.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh no, they're pulling over. They're pulling over.
What do you want me to do?